This, that. This is a flower. This flower is red. This is a ball. This ball is big. And that is a bird. That bird can fly. That is a dog. That dog is cute. This is my coffee. I love this coffee. That is my coffee. That coffee is hot. This is my sandwich. This sandwich is delicious. And that is my sandwich. I like that sandwich. These, those. These are our beds. We sleep on these beds. Those are my books. I read those books at night. And these are our clothes. These clothes are warm. Those are my dolls. Those dolls are small. These are chairs. I sit on these chairs. These are bags. These bags are big. Those are lockers. We put our things in those lockers. Those are plants. Those plants are green. Practice. Choose the correct answer.